Getting started here by placing 1 tablespoon of butter into each spot right here in my muffin pan. Then you're gonna grab yourself some nice fresh brown sugar and put about half to a tablespoon of brown sugar right on top of that butter. Oh, you guys, tell me this. Do you have a trick to keep your brown sugar soft, or do you make your own, right? So do you make your own like per time that you use it, or is there a technique to keep your brown sugar soft? I tried a couple things, but I have not found anything that works. So if you are out there and you are listening and you have a trick, please share it with the world. We definitely want to take advantage of that. At least I do. Wow, these are gonna be so good, and to make them even better, I have some mandarin oranges. Oh, these things are so cute, I love them. So I'm just gonna put some mandarin oranges in here. I was thinking about 3. So I'm gonna place 3 oranges, just like so, in each one of my muffin tins. So go ahead and grab, if you wanna put a couple more, it looks like maybe 4 would fit. So you could also put more in if you would like some. Other than that, you just wanna put a few of these little cute oranges right in there on top of that brown sugar. Okay, now we can get started with the fun part by putting some orange rolls right on top of these mandarin oranges. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about here. So we have our butter, our brown sugar, and oh yeah, those delicious little mandarin oranges. Now we're gonna take our cinnamon roll and we are gonna place that right on top of there. Ooh-wee. Yes, that brown sugar is gonna melt in with that butter. Oh, it's gonna be so delicious as it pairs with those oranges, and then the orange roll. Oh my gosh, it is a match made in heaven. Wham, bam. You're gonna thank me for this one for sure. All right, you guys, let's pop them in the oven at 350. They're gonna cook for between 13 and 15 minutes, and stick around. The true test is when we flip them over and then we dig in from there. Moment of truth. So we let our orange rolls cool down. They look fantastic. We are just going to carefully try to flip them over. So let's see if we can do this. You know what? I should do it this way. All right, taking the cutting board, placing it on top. Way easier technique there. And then we'll just flip that right over. Just go ahead and give those a little tap. All that good stuff out, that brown sugar. Ooh, those mandarin oranges. Yeah, baby. Okay, let's just get that right off. Oh my gosh. All right, there we go. Woo! Yeah, look at that. Wow, those look perfect. I think that's the best I've ever done. Look at the way that those oranges are just glazed into the top with the brown sugar and butter. Oh yeah, we just drazzed up this nice sweet treat. Now I have that orange glaze left over. I'm gonna pour it right over the top. Of course, you don't have to use it, but I love it on here. So we're just gonna pour this orange glaze, getting a little bit right there on every roll. Look at that. Look at how delicious that looks right there. Oh, I want that one. I purposely wanted to extra glaze it so I could have it just come all over. Look at all over the sides. Oh, this is an orange roll, guys. Don't you forget, right? This is the way to do it right here. We're getting the rest of that. Oh yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. I know this can be really messy and I should probably have a plate, but this one right here has got my name written all over it. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Oh, I am totally digging right in because just because I want to, and sometimes you just need to do the things that you want to do. Here we go. Best orange roll in the universe. So good. It's got this. The brown sugar butter glaze just makes also the dough just more moist, along with those mandarin oranges that we put in there. And glaze on top really tops it off. These are definitely a home run. Wow. Please give these a try. Maybe you're gonna have them with a cup of coffee, maybe some tea, I don't know. I'm just having it right now for lunch. No judgment, you guys. Let me know if there's anything that you're gonna do different. We'll see you guys later, and I hope you enjoy.